Williams Partners and Access Midstream Partners merging together in a $50 billion deal, and that's why they're the subject of today's Merger Talk. All right, so both of these companies are controlled by Williams companies, and this kind of represents one of those big mega merger transactions that's been a little bit of the epitome of the entire energy M&A sector this entire year. When you look at what Kinder Morgan did, their shares flew up as soon as they announced a mega consolidation play to bring 5 companies under one roof. It wouldn't surprise me if Williams companies was one of the chief beneficiaries of this, even though they're just a shareholder in the 2 companies that are being put together.
Yeah, like you said, there's been a lot of activity in the U.S. in terms of M&A targeted acquisitions. Total deal value reached about $106 billion during the first 3 quarters alone. Kinder Morgan buying all of its subsidiaries was among the largest in that space, as you mentioned.
And this comes as amid, obviously, a humongous energy boom is taking place in the U.S., and that's kind of what the deal is faced at doing. They want to bolster their North American gas infrastructure development. They want to be pumping more gas throughout the country. It seems like it's probably going to be a smart play for consolidation because we've seen it not just from private equity, but also from so many strategics. But soon they're going to have to start pumping out gas at a little bit of a higher rate, and right now with energy prices where they're at, it isn't clear that these are actually going to be accretive deals long term.
Yeah, there are a lot of companies out there right now with assets on the block. In August alone, for example, we learned that Stewart Energy is selling its Wolfcamp properties. Also in August, we learned that Freeport McMoran was sending out teasers for its oil and gas properties. A lot of other companies to keep an eye on. Duke Energy could continue to offload some non-core assets. Energy XXI is expecting bids by the end of the year. And other companies like Emprian Energy are on the block, among several others. So we can expect a lot more to come.
Right, and I mean, regardless of consolidation plays and regardless of prices within the space, it's probably likely that we're going to see a lot more deals taking place here. For one reason, it seems like there's also a lot of private equity money coming into the space, and they're going to have to be competitive on the deal horizon to do that. We're going to be following more of these transactions in natural gas, oil, and oil field services at the deal and at the street. We'll be talking about it on Merger Talk next week.